Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can do screen recording in your Mac in your Windows laptop. So for that you have to search for Snip tools. So you can see here you can search Snip tools. So this is the built-in. It has feature like screen recording. You can record meetings, you can record screen. So in Snip tool you just go to this video icon Snip. So here you select this video icon and you click new. So you will have to select the portion of the screen. So I'll select the whole screen, and here you have the option of whether you want mic. So I'll on the mic also so that it will record, and I will do start recording. So now you can see here, now the recording has started. So whatever I will do it here, it will get recorded. So you can see here recording is in progress. So to stop it, I'll just click this red button, stop recording, and it has stopped here, and you have to save this. So I'll just click save as, and I will save on desktop recording, and I will save, and I will close this. So you can see here that recording is done, and I will play this. So you can see here that video is also coming. So this is all about this video. You can record the screen, you can record the meeting. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.